Here's Thomas, and he's nearly 4 months old, and I think it's about 7:30 at night, and he's just having a little play before he goes to bed. What you doing? What you doing there, Thomas? Is that bunny in your way? Here, let me move him out a bit. You're having lots of fun, aren't you? That's good fun. Oh, that tastes nice too. Go on. Oh, what have you got there? It's a little turtle, isn't it? Be nice to put in your mouth, I reckon. Yum. Look at him. Look at him. Woo! Mwah! Mwah! What are you doing? What you doing? Oh, you're going crazy. You gonna go to bed soon? Do you want to go to bed soon, Thomas? Hey? Do you? You want to go to bed, crazy boy? You found that bunny again. Yeah, it's good fun, isn't it? Yeah, have a taste of him. He tastes good. Yeah, go crazy. Okay, night-night. Bye.